Coach, welcome back. Ano po bang, kamusta po?
Yeah, June 18, we have a medical check-up para makakomply kami doon sa renewal ng GAP license. And then, ang result, we found out na something wrong with my ECG. After a week, nakita namin yung result. Okay, and then immediately, pinakita ko sa mga cardiologists at Dr. Tony Liachon and Romel Galvez. Dr. Tony Liachon is my neighbor. And then he said sa akin, you have to undergo a stress test. Sa stress test, makikita ko anong klaseng puso meron ka. Yung puso ko pala mapagmahal eh. Hindi, I mean, nakita yung yung scan, there's something wrong. To confirm everything, so kailangan undergo ako ng angiogram, and then na-confirm yun na my arteries is blocked. And then, what happened? I keep on playing. And the last 3 weeks before that examination, I'm so well. Yeah. But I'm so lucky because the doctor told me na, you're a walking bubble. Buti eh, hindi ako nag-collapse o ganyan. So, my friend, Dr. Tony Liachon, he has a team dito sa Manila Doctors, na-rate na lahat, ganyan. And then, all of a sudden, okay, nagkaroon ako ng angioplasty. That was July 7. Imagine, July 5, July 3 and 4, nag-practice ako with San Miguel, and then 4, after ng practice namin, diretso na ako sa hospital. So, nakaprepare na lahat yung gagawin sa akin, ganyan, because there's something wrong na. And I'm confident na it's okay lang, okay. Pero upon revealing nung angiogram, we need to do something, which is angioplasty. It happened Tuesday, July 7, and then July 9, na-release na ako, binigyan na ako ng medical certificate, go to work. But the problem is, the side effect of medicine, nagkaroon ng revolution sa tiyan ko. Until now, bloated yung tiyan ko, very uncomfortable. And the worst thing is, nangyayari yung bloating in the evening, 11 until the morning. So, andun yung feeling na alam mong kulang ka sa tulog, alam mong puyat ka, pero hindi ka inaatok. And then, alam mong gutom ka, pero hindi mo nararamdaman na nakulang yung tiyan mo because of bloating. And then, kita ko sa isang gastroenteritis, ganyan, and then, okay naman, it's side effect of the gamot niya. I'm just taking my time to eliminate that. It will take 3 to 4 weeks. And then, actually, in first game, I thought ako mag-coach na eh. But, buti na lang, ito si Coach Robert, no, you have to take a rest. Dahil, nakarelate siya dahil he experienced that also eh. So, hindi kanya kahirap. This is right, pasalamat ako sa kanya. And then, kinakunsahan niya, binigyan ng time to rest. Ganyan. Kaya, I'm so grateful with them. And, ayun, it's a matter of a few games before I go back to
Pero as of now, fit to work ka ba o hindi pa? Kailangan mo
yeah, except yung kulang sa tulog. Ganyan. I cannot focus on my game plan, my practice plan, because I'm after to sa that's the effect. Pero once na-eliminate ko na yun, I think I'll be back. Regarding sa my heart, yun, wala nang problema. It's a maintenance na lang. Yun ang
Pero nung advice ng doktor sa'yo, kailangan okay lang mag-coach ka pa rin.
Yeah, right. Kaya nga binigyan ako ng medical certificate. Right after they release me from the hospital, Coach, you can start walking slowly, gradually, until you get to another playing time sa mga pick-up game, ganyan. Pero for the meantime, so I have to be focused on so walking, and then sleeping ko, yan ang problema eh. It could affect dahil sabi ko nga, worst thing every 11 in the evening, doon pumapasok yung nakakagulat hindi ka makagalaw Ganyan, bawat galaw mo 1 o'clock in the morning, tatayo ako, mag-walking ako para mag-set.
Hindi ka ba, may serious yung condition na yun, coach? Hindi ka ba medyo yung future mo sa coach? Hindi ba delikado dahil sa sitwasyon na yun?
According to the doctor, parang, yun, parang ano kayo, na-tune up kayo sa kotse, ganyan. Then, said, oh, you can go back to work, ganyan. Siyempre, of course, merong psychological effect yun dahil I found out na ganun pa rin yung angioplasty o ganyan. Pero, mas mahirap yung bypass. It will take a lot of time. Ganyan. Pero, ayun, kaya I'm confident na I can go back. Just a matter of time, kailangan ko makabalik na ano. Ayun.